Hi, I'm Christina Yamaguchi, a product manager with Lincoln Electric, here to talk about the AlumaFab system. This is designed for high volume aluminum MIG welding. We partnered with MK Products to deliver the industry leading wire feeding with our trusted power source and waveform technology from Lincoln Electric. Let's talk about what makes the wire feeding unique in this system. You have a torque-based motor. Why does that matter? Well, with this torque-based system now, you're less likely to have bird's nests, wire shaving, and it is able to handle setups that are less than ideal. So really small diameter wire, softer wire like 4000 series, longer feeding distances. It's less of a problem with this feeding solution. Another unique feature about this wire feeder is it's portable, so you can take it off the cart if you need to. We have cable options for portability, so you can control all of your settings away from your power source if you need to. So you have everything you need where the welding's taking place. Moving to the power source with the AlumaFab system, this is a 300 amp, 100% duty cycle industrial design machine for those tough shop applications. Not only is it reliable, but we've also featured our waveform technology that's trusted and proven, and included waveforms that are tailored to aluminum MIG welding. So you have pulse, pulse on pulse, and power mode. When we pair the two together, we now have hassle-free wire feeding and a stable and forgiving arc to make aluminum MIG welding easy for any operator skill level, so you can focus on welding and less on the problems commonly seen with aluminum MIG welding. This AlumaFab system is going to be offered in two package types. There's an air-cooled package and a water-cooled package. You'll have the choice with our new MK Products Python push-pull gun offering. These push-pull guns will come in an air-cooled version and water-cooled version with two different lengths. We'll have 15-foot and 25-foot available to give you flexibility depending on your application. And all of the components I covered, including the guns, are exclusively compatible with each other to provide an optimized aluminum MIG welding experience. To find out more, visit lincolnelectric.com.